Thank you for the invitation. First, I'm Jean-Michel Hugo, the CEO of Temisth. I'm engineer too in thermal engineering. I created the company 12 years ago now, and we are focusing on the development of thermal systems, customized thermal systems for niche markets. So we ensure development, sizing, simulation of performances, prototyping, test, and series. This is a customer that proposed us to work with Stirweld to develop a specific heat exchangers. We make the first prototype with additive manufacturing, and the second step was to reduce the price of the part. So we start by making prototype with Stirweld, and as we found this technology very interesting for coupling additive manufacturing and classical manufacturing process, and step by step, by making prototype, we arrive to a step where we have a demand on a small production. Not only cheaper, it was because welding additive manufacturing with other manufacturing processes is not easy. We mainly work with aluminum, and the aluminum available in additive manufacturing, it's not possible to weld it with a classical bonding, or weld with a TIG is not possible, for example. With the technology of friction stir welding, it's possible. And what is very interesting is that you can set the head on a classical CNC machine, and you can remove the head very quickly. You can still using your CNC machine and switch to the friction stir welding to make the welding. It doesn't change all your processes, you just add the friction stir welding head on your CNC machine. Stirweld help us in setting the machine. We are not alone to start the first step, and moreover there is a follow-up in making the first parameters development of the welding with Sebastian Toniaka, our head of manufacturing at Temisth. We are happy. We are full working on that. The machine is working a lot to make prototyping. We have some very interesting tests for welding aluminum and copper, for example. Also, we won our first contract of small series for space application. We developed a cold plate. We are in progress on the first batch of production, so about 300 parts. No, since 1 year, the only maintenance we have is to change the tools. It's normal, but no, there is no any problem on the use. It was very easy. The main difficulties is to find the good parameters of the welding, but when everything is set, after it's okay. It went well. I hope maybe next year, or maybe I don't know when, but the next generation of friction stir welding by Stirweld.